Let's take a look at the damage here during the hurricane. 2011 Irene. Streets flooded with leaves. Debris on the driveway. Branches, leaves. Oh, there's going to be some cleaning up, at least an hour there. Let's take a look at some of the damage here. Oh, we got 2 plants down. 2 plants down. Oh my God. Oh, this is bad. A gladiolus. A gladiolus is bent over. It's bad. Oh, there they are again. We'll have to come back. But this is Jersey Johnny live from Lewis Avenue. Hoping it stops raining. Okay, signing off. Jersey Johnny, Summit, New Jersey.